Yummy. You see this? Push me. I tell you, taste it. This is spinach. It's kachumbari. They call it kachumbari, Kenya language. Wow. I tell you, it's very delicious. This food is very nice. Wow, I never tasted like this. I never eat this delicious food, guys. I can see. You see this one? Local chicken. Wow. Wow. Guys, this is nice. So guys, as you see, this is Kenyan food. If you are new to my channel, please consider like, comment. I may start to eat. Guys, nimeshamaliza kuna. I am finished to wash my hands, okay? So it's just to eat. This we call it posh meal. Ugali. We have vegetables, French, spinach. Wow, it's nice, guys. We have also green pepper. I never tasted this before, guys. This guy is very delicious. Very delicious, guys. Guys, very delicious. You have local chicken. Wow. Yummy. Local chicken. Guys, it's nice. This is delicious, guys, I tell you. Very delicious, guys. Wow. French fries. This is French fries. Tastes nice. Can you see? It's really amazing. Nice. Very nice. Spinach. Absolutely yummy. So guys, comment section there. If you have tasted Kenya food, try it. I tell you, you like it. It is wow. It's nice. Now this green pepper. Okay, that's yummy. I never ate Kenya food. This is first time. I tell you, it's amazing. Miss spinach. This guy is spinach. Wow. This food is nice. It's not a joke. This food is amazing, guys. See spinach. See. How do you think about it? How do you think, guys? Comment section there. Let me know. If you have never tasted Kenya food, try it. I tell you, you'll like it. It's amazing. It's really yummy. And this is chicken. See guys, it is local. Local chicken, guys. Wow. You like it? Yummy. Wow. You like it, guys? It's nice. So, let us keep this. I tell you guys, it's nice. Just try it one day. It's orange. You like it? Now this red pepper, red green. I think it's perfect, guys. Look. Guys, I tell you, if you never taste it, you'll eat it effect. I tell you. The food is nice. It's so delicious. You see, this is local chicken. No. I don't know, guys, if you see it. This is local chicken. And we have bushmeat. We have, they call it kachumbari. It is tomato, onions, and we have spinach. We have ketchup, lemon. As I can see, these are fresh French potatoes. I think that is nice. Guys, I'm okay now. Thank you very much for your time, for watching. Let me know what do you think. It you have never tasted Kenya food, try it today and let me know how it is. It's really amazing. That is nice, I tell you. It is nice. So you see, my stomach is full. So thank you very much, guys, for your time to watching my video. I really appreciate it so much. So if you have any question, let me know. Comment section down there. And let us meet next time, inshallah, if Allah wills, for the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I love you. I love you. I love you guys. I love you guys. I love you all. I love you.